Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the card Baller in Block Tales. This guide will walk you through the exact steps to acquire this valuable passive card, detailing its location, the merchant you need to find, and the currency required for purchase. We'll also briefly cover what the Baller card does, so you can decide if it's the right addition to your deck. Let's dive in and get you equipped. Your journey to obtain the Baller card begins in Vermilion Village. This area is typically encountered in the game's 4th chapter, so you'll need to progress a fair bit through the storyline. Once you arrive, keep an eye out for the wealthy merchant. This specific non-player character is the key to adding the Baller card to your collection, as they are the only one who sells it. To successfully acquire the Baller card, you will need to spend 100 BP. BP, or battle points, is a common currency within Block Tales, often earned through combat and completing quests. Make sure you have accumulated enough of this currency before heading to Vermilion Village. Once you have the required BP, simply interact with the wealthy merchant to complete your purchase and claim your new card. The Baller card is a passive ability that significantly boosts your ball-based attacks. When equipped, it increases the attack power of your ball slot by 1 point. However, there's a trade-off. It will disable your sword slot entirely. This makes the Baller card ideal for players focusing on a dedicated ball build, allowing you to maximize damage in that specific combat style.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.